I am Dr. Raja and you are watching my YouTube channel IT Tech Trends. Today I'm going to be configure a DHCP server on a LAN. Lab objectives are create a network topology, configure network devices, configure a router, set up a DHCP server, assign VLAN 1 IP address to a switch manually through DHCP service, configure PC to receive IP setting dynamically via DHCP. I'm using class C IP addresses for this topology. Now I will start deploying. I need a router 1841 and one switch for this VLAN switch. I need two PCs to connect to this network and one server which I want to connect to the this switch. And cable copper straight through. I'm using automatic to connect the devices. PC to switch, second PC to switch, server to switch, and switch to a server. So all are connected. Now I will configure those devices later. Before configuration, I will apply a label. So IP address 192.168.1.1, and I copied this for server, and server IP address is 192.168.1.2, and its default gateway because this server is connected with a router which is 192.168.1.1. Those are connected now. Now I'm going to be use first I will check the interface, which is a fast Ethernet 0 0/0. Now I will configure a router configuration and fast Ethernet 0 4/0, and you can see this still is red because the port status is not switched on. First I will assign address 192.168.1.1, and I copy this from our server, Subnet Mask, and this is turned green now. Now I will configure a server, desktop, IP, and this one is 192.168.1.2, and I have to assign IP address for the default gateway because this server is connected to this router. Now I will configure this server as a DHCP, so services, then DHCP. And before we're going to be start any, we need to be make sure the service must be on. And by default, the pool name is server pool. And if you want to change or create a new one, you can change it. I'm going to be using the same. I have to assign our default gateway. So 192.168.1.1. I'm not going to be assign any DNS server IP address and save it. And this one is assigned there. Now we assign IP addresses through our DHCP to those connected PCs, desktop IP configuration, and click on DHCP and requesting assigned 192.168.1.3 DHCP request successful. Second PC, desktop IP configuration and DHCP, and IP address assigned successfully. Now I will assign a IP address to switch through the DHCP manually. So CLI, click, and first enable. I want to change the first the host name because this one is a switch. I want to change it. So config terminal. Either you can write it full or this, and the command is host name, and to change the name host name SW1. So this one is successfully changed now from switch to SW1. I'm going to be assign interface as a VLAN. So interface and VLAN 1 is successfully, and no shutdown. Save the changes. There you go. changes state up. Okay. Now I'm going to be assign a IP address through a DHCP IP address DHCP. This is done, and I will check. You can see VLAN 1 assigned DHCP IP address 192.168.1.5 and its subnet mask. We check is that IP address is assigned. Do show IP interface brief to make sure, and this address is successfully assigned. So 192.168.1.5. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.